this video, I'm gonna show you how to get not showing Android Twitter affiliates on your site. Firstly, when you get into that fiction, you need to know that there is no difference between working on Android and working on iPhone. It is the same process with the same problem and also with the same solution. Firstly, when you get into that problem, what you need to do, you need simply to get up from here, from your Twitter account. Then you need to go to your settings site on your phone. When you get there, for example, if you have Twitter site on your iPhone, you can simply go and offload that application. But if you have an Android, you can go right here and go for applications. And then on the search box, you're gonna type for Twitter. And when you get there, you're gonna be available to get an uninstall that section and then reinstall it back. But before you do that, you need simply to scroll down and go for storage. And right after you get there, you need to clear the data of the full site of this Twitter application.